Hi guys! Welcome back! This is Caucus. So yun nga, magang-maga. Another payment. Kasi naghahabol tayo ng mga payment. It's been a long while. Nagbakasyon din tayo. It's been a long time din. How long it takes? Mga 1 week? More than a week. Today's video, I'm going to trip you sa Porac 3, sa Fiesta Porac 3, because some clients inquired about some properties. Usually ang binibenta kasi nila is para siyang may townhouse bungalow, then a row house. Usually yung mga row house is yung minimum ang sahod. So under Pag-ibig kasi siya, and may in-house din sila. So it's depend kung magkano yung salary mo at kung ano yung bracket na nakaalan sa'yo. Yung client ko is hindi ko na mention yung pangalan niya. So ang salary niya is nasa 18. So depende kung anong unit ang mapipili niya. So it's either 2 bedroom or yung normal na unit na walang improvements, kasi halos malaki din ang difference, but the convenient of those improved, ang advantage niya is iwas budol siya. So that would be the great advantage yung gawa na, while yung yung hindi pa is syempre you have to renovate. Yun nga lang, mare-renovate mo siya pati sa gusto mo, at especially yung loob, lalo na may mga tao kasi na mapili, at yung parang talagang detail by detail sila, hindi basta-basta sila nagpapagawa. So it depends siguro dun sa tao na gusto. So ayun, today is I'm gonna going there. Nagpe-prepare na ako niyan. I'm gonna close the office because I was promised to him that I'm going to send the video of that unit to her, especially yung 2 bedrooms at yung usual na bear type na yun, ang tawag nila doon is kaya. Usually that's 45 square meter. Hindi kalakihan, pero I think it was enough to start dun sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, lalong-lalo na yung maliliit lang ang pamilya at yung mga minimum ang salary. I would suggest to own not to rent, but to have your own dream house, at least subdivision, diba? Oh, maganda. Yun nga lang, ang advantage kasi ng barangay is wala kang binabayaran. Pero sa subdivision is meron siyang garbage at meron din siyang HOA. That would, if you're going to get a house in the subdivision, that would be the one you should consider. Dapat you know your obligation, you have to pay it monthly. Nang sa ganun makulit yung basura mo, hindi ka, if ever na magkaroon ng problema, they will cater you. So yun, diretso na ako niyan sa Porac. After that, nag-travel na ako. So tangan-tangan ko lang yung tangan ko dyan yung cellphone ko, but I'll make it sure na safe naman ako. So while I'm driving, I should be careful. So watch for my second part. Thank you. God bless.